Hello and welcome to another Wealth Builders Elite video. How you can make $1 million online with crypto, with make money online programs, with affiliate marketing. How can you make $1 million? That's what this video is about. If you're brand new to my channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon to be reminded of new videos whenever I upload them. I created this 7-figure Rolodex, which is a list of all the opportunities and tools that I use to make multiple hundreds of thousands of dollars in cryptocurrencies online and in dollars. Okay, but I put most of my what I make into crypto. Okay, now this Rolodex has everything that I do and everything that I use. Okay, and that's why I put this together, because it's important for people to know and see from somebody that's already doing it. Okay, because I think people get a little bit flustered and they don't know what to do, where to start. If you're someone new to crypto, the best way to start, the best place to start is with my Crypto for Beginners training. So if you go to my Rolodex, which you see the link in the description of this video, scroll down and go to the Crypto for Beginners training. Just click on here and it will take you to this page. Put your name, your email, show me how. You'll get the training sent to your email every day. You'll be able to learn something there. You'll be able to get some knowledge, be able to learn how to buy Bitcoin, learn what you need to learn quickly to get yourself going. Okay. A lot of people ask me, what do I do to earn Bitcoin? Okay. And it's simple. I make sure that whatever I'm in, okay, has a good comp plan that pays well. Okay, if it doesn't pay well, then you're not going to be able to earn enough to justify doing it. Okay, so it's always important to have a business that pays high ticket and that pays a good amount of money, so that you can then take a proportion of that earning and buy crypto with it. Okay, preferably like what I believe in, buying Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, and there's many others, Chainlink, many other cryptos. Now I earn my Bitcoin with a program called This Automated System, which is an automated high ticket online marketing education suite. Okay, that you can literally get yourself going with, get started and start sharing this with others. So if you're somebody that wants a business, and you want to build a business, you're not interested in doing an actual brick and mortar business, you're interested in an online make money online business, this is a make money online business that you can join and that you can grow. Okay, we don't deal with get rich quicks. Okay, everything here is real business. You have to put in real effort and real time to grow your business. That's what we do here. So just like you have a day job, you have to go to work and work for your money. Just like when you build a business online, you have to do the work. Okay, so I make these YouTube videos to get the word out there, what I'm doing, and show people this 7-figure Rolodex as well. So if you want a Bitcoin business that you can earn instantly in Bitcoin without having to wait, you make a sale, you earn instantly in Bitcoin, that's this one here, this automated system. Okay, click on here, enter your name and email address inside, and you'll be able to get started with that. All the information is inside to understand what we're talking about there. If you're interested in something that's not a Bitcoin opportunity but you can earn in dollars, we've got something here for you that pays you every week here. So you can see this here. This is the Power Lead system. Click on here, enter your name and email the same way. You'll be able to get started with a non-crypto business. This is a Bitcoin business, it's a crypto business, this is a non-crypto business. Either one is up to you. The main aim is that you earn income and you use that income in order to buy crypto. Okay, so I earn from both this automated system and Power Lead system. I take a proportion of that money and I buy crypto. Okay, and I also promote my business as well. Okay, but most people, they want to buy crypto, but crypto is what we're talking about right now. We want people to build their Bitcoin and Ethereum portfolios, because in the future it's going to be worth a lot more and going to be able to really change yours and your family's life. So this automated system for Bitcoin earnings, Power Lead system for non-crypto earnings. So for those that understand the power of staking your crypto. Say if you earn Bitcoin, earn Ethereum, now it's time for you to start making money on your money. This is how I'm doing it. I'm using Lido Finance, liquid staking. I'm staking my Ethereum there, and I'm earning staking rewards from staking my Ethereum. So if I click on here, you can see, if I click on this one, stake your, you can see here it's earning 5%. This is not actually connected to my wallet, but this is where I stake my Ethereum to earn 5% APR. This goes up and down, which is very good. In order to get involved in the investment ones, you need to have income. So either from your day job or from your online business. Making $1 million online means you have to have liquid funds coming in. Okay, if you don't have liquid funds coming in, you can't invest in crypto, you can't invest in advertising, you can't do anything. Scroll down. There's other ways you can do it here. We've got mining business here. If you're interested in hotspot mining, you can click on here. You'll be able to see all the information. Auto trading. I really do like auto trading as well, because basically you set it up on your exchange, either Binance, and you just let it trade. It's not leverage trading, if you know about that. This is just general spot trading. Okay, if you haven't got a hardware wallet, get one from here. I have a Nano Ledger, Trezor, Elipal. I've got both the Nano Ledger and the Trezor. Elipal is a very good one as well, and any one of these crypto exchanges you can get started with. Okay, the reason why I put this Rolodex together is that you can join any one of these and buy and use the service, and you can also grab your own referral links from within any one of these and share them with your friends and family and people who ask you about crypto as well. So these are not just what you just join. You can actually share them with others. Some of them are not available everywhere, like Celsius Network is not available everywhere. So you just have to check which country you're in, if it's available in your country. But this 7-figure Rolodex has loads and loads of information that is valuable for you if you're trying to build wealth online. Okay, like for example, for people who already have high net worth individuals that they know that are interested in investing in alternative assets, Capitalist Exploits is a very good publication where when somebody joins it and purchases, you will be able to make a big commission. The same with Regal Assets, being a crypto IRA, a 401k type of alternative assets investment company as well. So these are for people who already know what they want to do. They got retirement accounts and stuff like that, and or they just have a lot of money that they want to invest in alternative assets. So you know, there's loads of things here. You know, could go through all of them, but you could actually just, when you go to my 7-figure Rolodex, just scroll down and have a look. Most people, what I recommend you do, like I said, is you start with a crypto for beginners training, and you get yourself one of these businesses or two of them. It's up to you. But if you don't get a business, you can't build an income. You can't make wealth. The reason why I choose this automated system V7 is that it pays up to $50,000 unlimited times, depending on the level you're in. So with this system alone, I can make a good amount of money depending on which level I'm in. Okay, so you can start at $97, and you can go up from there. I mean, I recommend most people start at a $500 level because it gives you the ability to make a good starting amount at over $200 per sale there, just on a level 1. So it's very, very good. And with Power Lead system, you're able to make those good commissions every week here, as well as the comp plan really being lucrative too. So you know, get yourself a business. If you've got a day job, you can use your day job to take a portion of that money and put it into crypto. Okay, and then you'll see how powerful the world of crypto is. You know, most people they get these software wallets, you know, like online, like Exodus and stuff like that. But I do recommend you get a hardware wallet as well. Okay, I recommend you get a hardware wallet and get one of these crypto exchanges, FTX, Binance, These two I do recommend, but you know, any one of them will do. Binance is I use every single day. So yeah, if you want to learn how to make millions online, you need to have a system, okay? And most people don't understand what that means. That's why I include these two businesses, this automated system and power lead system. They are both systems that you can use to make multi millions if you work it properly, okay? But my recommended Bitcoin business is this automated system V7. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. Don't miss out on the opportunity to grab yourself a business. And if you're new to crypto, join my Crypto for Beginners training. Those that want to make millions online will choose a business, build it, and start to save in crypto and earning yield through what we have here, like Lido or Celsius or any other way. And they'll share their links that they have with others to make that extra income as well. You may even start a YouTube channel like I am, and if your YouTube channel does well, you start to earn an income from there. Earning multiple streams of income is the easiest way to make $1 million online. Thanks for watching this video, and I will catch you in the next one. Take care.